Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the second Telegram account now. Open Telegram, tap your profile menu, and choose Add Account. Enter the second phone number and wait for the SMS or call verification. Once you receive the code, input it and let Telegram sync contacts and messages. Make sure you grant permission for contacts and notifications so the new account behaves like your main one. This first action sets up two distinct accounts tied to two numbers on the same device. Once done, learn to switch quickly. Tap the profile menu and pick the other account. Telegram keeps sessions separate. You can label each account, set different profile photos, and configure notifications per account so messages don't mix. If you want simultaneous access, add Telegram desktop or web using one number and the app with the other. Both stay logged in. Make sure to review privacy and two-step verification for each account to keep them secure and independent. To finish, secure both numbers by enabling two-step verification and backing up recovery info. Confirm that linked devices show only the ones you approve. Revoke any unknown sessions. If verification or SMS delivery fails, retry after checking network and signal, or use the call verification option. Sometimes carriers delay texts. If messages still don't arrive, temporarily insert the SIM in another phone to receive the code. This final check ensures both.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.